Have you ever dreamed of running a successful YouTube channel and earning money while creating content that you love? The truth is, it's not as easy as it seems, but what if I told you that using AI tools like ChatGPT for scripting, AI voiceovers, and video editing can help you create engaging videos that not only save you time but also earn your money? That's right, with the right AI tools, you can produce professional, quality content and potentially earn a significant income from your YouTube channel. So if you're ready to take your content creation game to the next level and potentially boost your bank account, let's dive into how you can leverage the power of AI for your YouTube channel. Scripting with ChatGPT. ChatGPT, an AI language model designed to assist you in creating scripts that capture your audience's attention and keep them coming back for more. With ChatGPT, you can generate scripts by simply inputting a topic or a few keywords related to your video. The tool uses deep learning algorithms to create text that mimics human written content, ensuring that your scripts are both engaging and informative. Whether you're creating a video about travel, cooking, or productivity tips, ChatGPT can help you create scripts that are tailored to your audience and the content you're sharing. No more struggling to come up with the perfect words or phrasing. ChatGPT does all the heavy lifting for you. You can also customize the tone, style, and length of your script to fit your needs, ensuring that your content is unique and tailored to your brand. With ChatGPT, you can take your content creation game to the next level and stand out from the crowd. So, whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, consider using ChatGPT to help you create scripts that captivate your audience and keep them coming back for more. With this powerful tool at your fingertips, the possibilities for creating compelling content are endless. Voiceovers with AI tools. You can also utilize AI tools for voiceovers. VoiceOver is an essential component of a YouTube channel as it provides narration and helps to convey the message of your content. With AI voiceover tools, you can create professional quality narration without the need for expensive recording equipment or hiring a voiceover artist. AI voiceover tools work by using synthetic voices that are generated by deep learning algorithms. These tools analyze human speech patterns and intonation to create voices that sound natural and human-like. Not only do these tools save you time and money, but they also provide you with the flexibility to create voiceovers in multiple languages, accents, and tones. Here are some examples of AI voiceover tools that you can use for your YouTube videos. Amazon Polly. Amazon Polly is a text-to-speech service that offers over 60 lifelike voices in 29 languages. This tool allows you to create voiceovers in a variety of tones, including cheerful, conversational, and professional. Google Text-to-Speech is a free tool that allows you to convert text into spoken words. This tool offers over 220 voices in 40 languages and can be used to create voiceovers for a variety of content. Murf AI. Murf AI is a platform that uses cutting-edge technology to generate high-quality voiceovers in a matter of minutes. With over 50 different voices to choose from, you can find the perfect tone and style for your content. Murf AI's platform also allows you to customize the speed, pitch, and volume of your voiceover to make it sound even more natural. Lovo. Lovo is an AI voiceover platform that offers over 180 synthetic voices in 27 languages. This tool allows you to create voiceovers in a variety of styles, including conversational, formal, and friendly. By using AI voiceover tools, you can create professional, quality voiceovers that engage your audience and convey your message effectively. These tools are easy to use, customizable, and offer a cost-effective alternative to traditional voiceover recording. With the right AI voiceover tool, you can take your YouTube videos to the next level and create content that stands out from the crowd. Video editing is an essential part of the YouTube content creation process. It can be time-consuming and challenging, especially if you're not familiar with video editing. However, with the help of AI tools like InVideo, video editing can be much simpler and more efficient. InVideo is a cloud-based video editing software that uses AI to automate video editing tasks. The tool offers a range of features that make it easy to create professional quality videos, even if you have no video editing experience. Here are some of the features of InVideo that make it a great AI video editing tool for YouTubers. Ready-made templates. InVideo offers a wide range of ready-made templates for various types of videos, including product, demos, tutorials, and social media videos. These templates are customizable, allowing you to add your own branding and personal touches. Stock footage and music. InVideo has a vast library of stock footage and music that you can use in your videos. This library includes thousands of high-quality videos, images, and music tracks that you can use to enhance your content. Text-to-speech. InVideo's text-to-speech feature uses AI to generate human-like voices that you can use for voiceovers. This feature is especially useful if you don't have access to a professional voiceover artist. Easy sharing. Once you finish editing your video, InVideo makes it easy to share your content on social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. AI tools like InVideo can be a game changer for YouTubers looking to streamline their video editing process. With features like automated video editing, ready-made templates, and text-to-speech, you can create professional quality videos in a fraction of the time it would take to edit them manually. If you're looking to take your YouTube content to the next level, consider using AI video editing tools like InVideo. Using AI tools for creating YouTube content can be a game changer for creators looking to save time, improve quality, and streamline their workflow. ChatGPT, AI voiceover tools, and AI video editing tools like InVideo are just a few examples of the many AI tools available to YouTubers today. By using these tools, you can create engaging content that stands out from the crowd and resonates with your audience. So, why not give them a try and see how they can take your YouTube content to the next level? If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to receive notifications from our future content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.